In this demonstration, we're going to show you how you can create records directly in the CluedIn platform. Let's head over to view all the manual data entry projects that we've set up. We have a blank canvas to work with. Let's create a manual data project. We give it a title, create new companies. So we already used the entity type of an organization in the previous example, so let's reuse that here. Head to organization. We can also set a description if we're wanting. We'll just leave it blank for now. Now, we're asked to fill in a couple of things. Let's head to the form fields, where this is allow us to build up a form entry so we can create records directly in the CluedIn platform. We need to choose what particular keys we're wanting to create. For this, I'm just going to choose the name of the organization. So let's search for that. And then specify a type of field. For this, I'm just going to use a text field, and I'm going to specify that it is required. The name field should not be used as a unique key, and we can also pick from existing values. In this case, we're going to leave this blank. We can set a description, or we can do this later. We're going to create a couple more form fields. So do we have our organization.id? Yes, we do. We're going to use a text field. It's required, and we're going to use it as an entity code as well to uniquely identify that company. Finally, we're going to create one more entry, website. It will also be a text field, and let's just say it's not required. Good. Let's head to our mapping interface. It's auto-mapped the project for us, but let's just go ahead and double check things. Let's set that the organization name will be the name of the record in the platform. And you can see it's automatically set up that it'll generate a brand new ID, a master ID, and it'll also use the ID field that's required to be another way to uniquely identify this record. Let's finish our mapping. We can also set up the permissions, the quality level. You can just go ahead and add a brand new record here. So let's add a record ID 7. Let's say this is Microsoft.com, and the company is Microsoft. We can see a preview of the record if we want, or we can go ahead and generate the record as well. If we head over to the Data tab, we should be able to see that this record has been created due to this particular project. Also, if we were to search up the top, we should see that our Microsoft record is available for us to search in the platform. Let's head to our properties, and we can see there's the data that came in. If we head over to the history, we can also see the audit trail where this record first entered the platform. So we can see on April the 16th at 12:53 p.m., it was manually created through this particular project. We can click on that project and get taken back to be able to add more records if necessary.